baby. Smoked duck breast. Extra, excuse me, puppy bowl. Pizza. Seafood pizza. Wow. I don't know what that is. Pork piccata with capers. You like that? It's like seaweed. Alrighty, good morning. Today is 18th full day. Today, Mum heads back home. She leaves tonight, and I'm heading off to Condau. It's raining a lot. Luckily, I'm getting straight to the airport. Unfortunately for Mum, she has to stay. She's staying here for a bit, so hopefully the rain clears for her. But yeah, heading off to the airport and flying over to Condau, so a tropical island, and hopefully it isn't raining when I arrive there. But we'll see. But yeah, off Mum heads off, and then I'm still here till the 23rd, so still a bit of time.
Your bag is no batteries, huh?
No. All checked in. It was probably one of the easiest things I've ever done. There was no line, no nothing. So it might be an empty flight, I don't know. Literally, it was a specific destination, and then no line, just walk straight up, which was very, very easy. Now time to clear security, and then off we fly to Condau. I bet you were getting wet. I bet you, because we're on a little twin prop, we're gonna get wet because we're gonna walk out onto the tarmac. Oh well, that's gonna be fun. As you can see, I'll show you how wet it is. Hopefully you can see it. Awesome, thank you. Just a bit wet. Xin chào.
Đủ chỗ, ngồi đã đủ chỗ tôi ngồi cùng Hoài rồi, ông lên hôm qua là được cái 14, 15. Thế là đủ chỗ là gì?
Thì người ta đang kiểm xem mấy ông này ngồi đúng chưa đấy.
Bây giờ chỉ có 60 người đúng
Nếu
không?
bạn hành khách trên đề nghị các ngồi đúng số ghế sẽ cần hành lý sách tay cho hành lý đi trước hoặc đi ghế phía trước, hoặc để hành lý trên lối đi và bộ phận
Vừa rồi, vali.
50 phút. Để đảm bảo an toàn, đề nghị quý khách tắt là máy thu phát sóng điện thoại di động hoặc chính xác chế độ sử dụng trên máy bay và chế độ im lặng trên khi quý khách rời khỏi máy bay. Đến với sân bay Côn Đảo, bây giờ là 1 giờ 15 phút, nhiệt độ bên ngoài lúc này là 28 độ C. Quý khách lưu ý tại chỗ phải tắt an toàn cho đến khi máy bay đi vào có đầy hiệu cả an toàn đã tắt. Còn thật kiểm vấn hành lý trên phía tuyến trên và tuyệt đối không mở cửa máy bay khi không có yêu cầu của nhân viên. Thay mặt cho Không quân Việt Nam, Tổng thống hàng không Skyteam, cơ trưởng Nguyễn Bảo Quốc Viên đã xin gửi tới quý khách đến cho tạm biệt và hy vọng sẽ đón tiếp quý khách trên những chuyến bay tới. Xin cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Condal Airport. We now water about 1 p.m. The outside temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft completely stopped and the fasten cement sign have been turned off. Please take care of your belongings and ensure the contents do not fall out when opening overhead lockers. You are requested not to open the aircraft door unless instructed by the cabin crew. We hope you enjoy your flight with us on behalf of Vietnam Airlines, a member of Skyteam Alliance.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks. bit of rain and a bit of drama, I've settled in to my hotel in Condau. The drama being that I thought I'd lost my GoPro batteries, one of my lights, a mount and the door for the GoPro. So luckily, after trying to submit lost and found claims and stuff, I checked with the reception of the hotel and checked with the taxi driver, and it was in there, thankfully. So my content shouldn't be affected by that now, but it is very wet here. I'll show you. So we just had the rain running almost all day. The mountain view is pretty cool, but you can tell the rain's there. And then the beach is just down there. So just gonna go get some food down there and see what it's like. And yeah, a very chill first day here in Condau, but hopefully the weather improves. That's the main thing, because I want to do some hiking, some swimming, things like that. This is actually really interesting. Like, this island has completely outlawed single-use plastic. Alrighty, quick interjection. So, I was a bit wrong about the single-use plastics and how they were banned. It was just the way that I had heard it on the plane. But Condau is kind of leading the charge for sustainability, especially in Vietnam. So, while single-use plastics aren't fully banned, they've had many campaigns like the Zero Plastic Waste and Condau, a destination to reduce plastic. It's promoting eco-friendly habits for both locals and tourists, and it's proving sustainable tourism is the future. And let's make sure that we can protect this paradise and the world together. So yeah, it's quite interesting the way that they've gone about it. But yeah, I'll include some pictures of this signage around the town and you'll see kind of what they're focusing on. Like, no plastic bottles, no plastic bags, no nothing, which is so cool. Like, I kind of wish more places would do that. Like, it just, yes, there's going to be a lot of rubbish that washes up, but you're reducing the waste on your side, so it makes a lot of sense. No plastic bags, no plastic water bottles, and there's a bin. How epic is that? Alrighty, just signing off today. It was a decent day. Had a good flight into Condau. Lost my GoPro stuff, which was not very fun. Got it back, which was really good. And then went for a walk on the beach and got some dinner, and that was about it. Hopefully tomorrow it stops raining, or like it doesn't rain the whole day, and we can do a bit of exploring, check out the French tiger cages, which is a big part of the history on this island, prisons and stuff, and yeah, and then hopefully go for a swim in the evening if it's not raining, and try and work out a snorkeling trip if the weather's alright. But yeah, good day today. Hopefully tomorrow's a bit better.